Hey everybody, this is our 2011 Toyota Tacoma regular cab. This has the 2.7 liter 4-cylinder engine in it. We'll walk around the vehicle, show you, let you check it out. Body's in great shape, good tires on it. Got deep tinted windows, rear window that opens, mud flaps, good tires on the back. Has the cover on the bed. Okay. Hitch already on the truck. Well, this truck gets up to 25 miles a gallon on the highway, so it's still very economical. Got a front bench seat that does accommodate 3 passengers. This is a 2-owner vehicle. No accidents, locally owned from right here in Pawleys Island. AM FM CD player, and also has your auxiliary input. Automatic transmission. Low miles, 44,274 miles. The Toyota Tacoma is one of the top 3 mid-sized pickup trucks in the country, so great truck. These drive great. Easy to drive, easy to handle, and a great value. Guys, have any other questions? Send me a message. If you'd like to see anything more in more detail, let me know.